Alright, so we out here over at J Fest in La Habra, the first annual J Fest. This is dope.
That's a nice color. That's also a nice color.
The GR Corolla. This is like, I guess like the event owner or whoever is hosting, like this is their car, so yeah, it's pretty dope. There's like a bunch of JDMs here. Obviously, it's called J Fest. This is something different that I normally go to, but yeah, I mean, they got some pretty cool stuff. Like this LC is pretty freaking clean too, you know. But what I'm confused about is it's called J Fest, right? But yo, they let this M4 pull in? Come on, man. Ooh, the HRE. It's a clean GTR. Damn loud.
I need to finish this fast because I want to.
FD. This type of is nice too. And then, yo, that is crazy. This is like, fuck. Yo, this FD is crazy. Like I have my sunglasses on, but it's still so fucking shiny in here. And this is so cool. So it's a little bit later now, more cars pulled up. So, I mean, you know, JDM meet, so there's a lot of GR86s. There's a hell of fucking like GR Corollas here. S2K.
Yeah, I know this one's
Yeah, this guy knows this gay. But yeah, I mean, GR86s, BRZs, you know, whatever.
I know.
Damn, I haven't seen it. Is it the GSF? Yeah. I haven't seen one of these in a minute. Integras. Yo, look at this van though. That's crazy. Got some FL5s. FK8. Is that a Celica? Yo, who let this Beamer in here? I thought this was JDM, bro. Same with this Mercedes. So, GR Corolla. GR Corolla. Look at all these GR Corollas. I mean, it's a dope car. Ooh, hello. Literally just all GR Corollas. Some more. Well, one more. Evo. Got some American cars I pulled up here too. And a Supra. There's a lot of Supras here too, actually. They're like scattered around though. So this parking lot is like pretty small. So only a select amount of cars like can pull in. There's like another lot like all the way over there. We'll probably go check that out too. Dope. RCF. Oh. Yo, they got HREs on this.
Matt, I don't like these wheels on your car.
I don't know what this is, but slammed as fuck.
Yes, either 300 or 400. And so I ended up putting the stickers on the crack. Or if it's right-hand drive, it's an Aristo or Japan.
Same car though?
Same car, yeah.
Just different name?
Well, they got the GTE over there, so now we're talking about the 2Js or whatever.
Ah, right. Okay.
Their chassis will have a 2J.
They have a GTE in this car over there?
Yeah.
What
It's
the
one of the only
hell?
ones that comes with the GTE.
Oh, what the hell?
Yeah. So most of the ones that you see over here that have the blue top GTE that you just see like online or you see in cars are mostly from this car. Over in Japan.
What made them put the GTE in this car?
No, because the IS didn't even get a 2J.
Yeah.
They got a 4-banger instead of a 6-cylinder.
So much.
I should have. You know, not as many Supras here as I thought.
Yeah,
Like the
Mark 5 stuff?
yeah, Mark 5. Yeah, you're the only one.
You're the only Z, huh? Oh, no, it's not white.
No, there's a white one over there too. Could be you. Wait, they put an STI badge on the VB?
Why?
Why? Yeah, why did they do that? Oh, so that's a Dodge,
M2.
right?
It's an M2, dude.
No, that's an M2. That's an M3 40i. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the Beamer colors underneath the bumper.
Oh, yeah, that's how you know it's an M.
They come like that? Oh, I was like, what? Yeah, I don't know.
No.
That's
That's cool. You gotta zoom in on that.
Oh, wow. He has the S4 badge and STI badge
That's cool.
on a VB. That's crazy. That is crazy. That is.
straight crow.
That don't exist. It's not real.